Tony, what would you think if Loba had a dildo inside her staff?
This fight will result in death for the weak.
Were you not expecting that?
No, I was, and that's the problem.
We're going right there.
Okay.
Okay, let's
There's
go.
our
Let's go,
teammate.
Hi, teammate. There's a gold body in here that you can have.
Great. The ring is close.
I'm gonna get
Great, the ring is close. Let's go.
Okay. There's this you can have,
How'd you get in there?
and then
Oh, okay,
I
I
got
see.
the key card.
No, I meant like the door. Where was the door?
Okay. I don't know anymore.
Hey, how far are we
what-
from the circle? Just F.
We're in circle.
Oh, we're in it. Okay. I'm gonna grab some grenades just in case,
Do you see the map?
cause I remember grenades saved my ass last time.
Well, we haven't encountered anyone yet, so.
Cause actually, me killing a guy with a grenade last time we won was what won us the match. Cause I killed one guy and then you killed the other guy with your gun.
Really?
Yeah, you remember when we were on top of the building at the or on top of that thing at the edge of the map?
Oh yeah. Yep. I do remember that.
I'm pretty
didn't know you
sure
got
I
that
killed.
kill with the
Yeah,
nade.
I'm pretty sure I killed him with the nade. I can't remember. I have to go back and
No,
look at
you
the
shot
footage.
him after I shot him a bunch of times.
Oh yeah, that's right. Cause I threw the grenade and it hit him, but it didn't kill him. And then you shot him, and then I shot him. Oh, I'm trying to. Oh shit! There's guys below.
Where?
Inside with me.
Okay. Ping.
Right here.
Coming. Oh god.
I am dead.
Alright. God. That's not it. Come on. Give me a little bit back. Oh
For
no.
being a. Oh shit! He's dead.
Okay. we can grab
Our buddy's doing some work, bro.
you. Alright, I put a beacon down so we can get you up. He stole your gold armor, sorry. Oh, and there's a care package drop coming right next to us.
Huh.
Well, how about that? Is that a lifeline drop? That's a lifeline drop. No, it's not. Oh, he called in his respawn beacon.
Yeah, he called it in.
Oh, that's you. Okay. Oh god, they have really good stuff.
Yeah, I've got nothing but a fucking level 1 pistol, just FYI.
Alright.
They're below us though.
Yeah, I know where they are.
I've got literally nothing. If I'm sneezed on, I will die. I hear people moving though.
God, I'm so bad at aiming. One's almost dead.
One is dead.
Enemy down.
Nice. Oh, that guy's so dead. Get up. For me.
Guy behind me.
Damn it. Alright, hold on. Oh god, there's more people over there. Alright.
He's reviving his teammate.
Where?
Straight ahead.
Okay.
Right behind that doorway. Like they're literally right
Okay.
there.
Drone detected. Are you kidding me? There's a crypto nearby. God.
This is a fucked up building, bro.
Yep. Don't worry, I stopped the crypto drone. There's people near.
Yeah, I gotta
Don't
get
know
some
where.
shit. I gotta
Please
get some
loot
shit.
fast.
I got my
Drone detected again. I killed this drone. Another drone? I don't know where they at.
EMP, get down.
God, there's people over here.
Recharging my shields.
I don't have a lot of shield stuff on me.
right here.
Reloading.
Coming.
Another squad. Reloading.
Oh shit. They're... Whoa.
Shooting. They're shooting at me.
Oh.
Reloading. Jump drive in position.
God. Please, no! Okay, I have a plan. I got this. I have self-revive. God, there's more.
No fucking shit, because this is the end of the circle. Okay, okay. There's literally 5 squads left, Shy.
Noticed.
Let's go to this area.
There's a guy above us. Guy, they're right there, Shy!
Sorry, looting.
2 of them, 3 of them.
Oh god, I almost started shooting at you. Oh god.
Enemy spot.
They're coming in, they're coming in.
Okay, hold on.
Right there, Shy, Shy, Shy.
Got one. The other one was probably full health. The other one was almost full health.
That was so good. We almost fucking kicked that. Dude, we kicked that. We fucking
sorry, I
destroyed.
can't
We destroyed 3 squads, dude.
Love me an LMG.
Literally, if I'm Rampart and I find like an LMG, I'm golden.
Good, we're inside.
It's on. First blood.
Shit. People near me.
Hey, I got a volt again. Oh god.
Oh,
People.
shit. That's his teammate. I see him. I'm getting him. I'm intercepting.
There's 2 people.
He's
Oh,
not
wait, no,
escaping.
yeah,
That was
okay. No, that was you.
the
That
one.
was you. I saw you. I didn't see your the name over your head.
Okay. Okay, I got this. I'll put that on there. Okay, he had some pretty decent things, I guess.
Oh, I need a back.
I got an energy mag. Do you see any
I
energy
will
mags?
take this hemlock though.
I don't need this. If you
Oh
need
god.
this,
Yep, there was another one. I was right. I did not see
Okay.
you. There was another one. I need health kit though if you got one.
I do not.
Shit,
However-
shit.
I do have a shield. I do have these. Come up here, hurry. Come up here. I'll cover. Come up here, hurry. Get up here. Shh. Get up here now. Get those meds that I pinged.
Where?
You can see them on the floor? I pinged
Oh,
them.
I see him now.
He just immediately destroyed me. He's right here. He's right here. He's finishing. He's finishing.
I know,
He's finishing. He's teabagging. Nice. Behind you. Oh, his
Yeah.
teammate literally.
I was literally at like less than half health, so I couldn't.
That's
do
not
anything.
fair. Why didn't my machine gun instantly fire? I had the thing that makes it. I'm so confused. I feel like other people landed here. Did they? No, they didn't. Okay, we're free. We're free to loot up for a little bit, but don't get.
Evil shield here.
You already have that. Don't get
Yeah.
too like space okayness.
Spider part. Oh no, you mean like comfortable?
Shit!
and-
Shit! Shit!
as you
That's what
say
I meant.
that.
How come you spawn up immediately? This is what I fucking get.
Coming up behind you.
It's right.
Enemy here.
Oh, it's right there. I'm down. Nice.
Got
Come
one.
get me. Come get me. Come get me. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Is there any more?
There's one more,
Yeah.
but okay. Sniper. They're speeding over the camera here. Octane. You got
Shit.
this. How?
I had to switch weapons. I ran out of ammo.
So clearly I'm doing ass, and you're doing all the work. This is not okay. Someone's here. I heard them.
Yeah, all I've got's a flatline, just FYI.
I'm just letting you know. Oh, it's not a surprise if you get your ass shot.
Yeah.
It's an octane, I'm pretty sure, because I heard them stem.
What does this fucking shit that we're collecting do?
It's crafting material. It allows you to craft things. I just killed someone.
You didn't kill him all the way, but there's a
Well, yeah, I
another
knocked
person
him.
over there.
Is there a teammate behind me? His teammate was behind us,
That's my
and he threw a fire. That's how I knew he was behind us. There's more.
Watch it. Putting up some armed cover. My shields are recharged.
Why do I keep wanting to fucking...
Don't know.
Reloading.
This way, mix.
Controller,
Alright,
now
they're
is
there.
not the fucking time to do this, please.
He's one. He's fucking one. Revenant's one is who I was talking about. I'm coming back up.
Giving my shield a reach.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there's two. Remember, it's duos.
Yeah,
Where?
they came at me at the same time. They're up above. They're both right there, right outside the door.
I got one. Got
Second
one.
one, second one,
One's
second one. Come around.
Yeah, I know. Got him! Dude, I literally ran out of bullets as I killed him. Grab that.
Yeah, I saw.
You saw that white? You saw the blue thing?
Yeah, I also saw somebody. Yeah, don't shoot him yet. Don't shoot him yet. Just wait.
What the hell is happening? They're like phasing.
Yeah, there's two people. There's more than one people. There's two teams.
Okay. I'm gonna set up Sheila.
Hey, Sheila. Don't win.
That's not where I wanted to put that. There. Operate.
Crack 'em knuckles.
Watch my behind and my right.
Only 2 enemy squads already.
2 enemy squads left.
These guys are a bunch of plonkers.
I don't think this is the right place to pick up Sheila. I'm picking up stuff.
Shops closed.
When you pick up the minigun, it gives you half your ultimate back. They're right there.
Enemy
Yeah,
on me.
don't shoot yet. We gotta know, or shoot, because we gotta know how many there are. But yeah,
There's only 2, remember?
no, there's 2 squads.
No, I know, but okay, these 2 are both low. Oh, you're not gonna be able to do this, are you? Grab me. Grab me.
The ring's moving, friends.
Grab. Just grab. Don't worry. Grab. Takes a little bit of time. Come on. Then we gotta move.
Watch that direction. I think I see movement, but I'm not sure.
I'm watching behind this way. I need that med kit.
Hey, you might
No,
want to
not
get
worth-
into.
not worth
You
the
might,
sun
yeah, you
damage.
might want to get in the
Not
thing.
worth the sun damage. Okay, they cannot come from this way. Otherwise, they are taking huge damage for no reward. Okay. Okay, Tony. Do you think we can do this?
Don't think, just do.
There's a med kit here. Dude, there's a devotion here. I'm taking it. I'm taking it because I can do a lot of good things with it.
This is what I'm talking about.
But they're coming from that way.
then-
I'm pretty sure I see. Oh wait, no, that's
Okay.
a supply thing. I saw light. Oh nope, yep, there are people over there. I was right. I'm down.
I know.
Come back, come back, come back.
Down one.
Took down an enemy.
The other one's right there. No, he's right there.
Yeah, I know. He's portaling.
He's gonna go right there.
I'm healing.
There's 2. I think the other one's down.
No.
Oh!
Tony literally hit him! Tony, he's literally won! If I was able to actually just hit a little bit longer, I would have won. I literally, if I switched to my weapon a little bit faster.
That
If I
was
switched
so
my
much.
weapon a little
Bro,
bit
we were so
faster.
close. It was so close. Oh, that was so good. That was such good teamwork.
What would you think if Loba had a dildo inside her staff?